kapok, kabig, ka-tail, ka-scale, ka-fur, ka-feather at kapwa ko animal lover. Ako si Ivan at ito ang Animal Loves Bustos. Kamusta? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Malls Manila Bay dito sa Parañaque para makisaya sa isang animal event na pinamagatang Pet Day at the Bay. This is for the celebration of annual global event na tinatawag nating World Animal Day for the feast day of Saint Francis of Assisi, ang patron saint ng mga animals. So tara, makisaya tayo ngayong araw. World Animal Day was created by a German editor, a writer and protection activist named Heinrich Zimmermann. He organized the first World Animal Day on March 24, 1925 in Berlin to start the movement for the prevention of animal cruelty. Pero sa nakalipas na mga taon, sineselebrate na natin ang World Animal Day every October 4. Kasi ang October 4 ay ang feast day ni Saint Francis of Assisi, ang patron saint ng mga animals. Actually, October 6 ngayon. 2 days ago talaga ang Animal Day. Pero dahil Friday yon, buti na lang talaga in-adjust nila ngayong Sunday para mas maraming taong makapunta. Family Day, Pet Day at the Bay. Lalong-lalo na ang mga students kasi ang mga estudyante ay mas madaling i-educate to prevent abuse, neglect at cruelty sa mga hayop. At ang gaganda ng mga programs na inihanda nila dito, kaya sulit ang pagpunta. Merong pet blessing, pet playground, portrait sessions, exotic pets encounter, bird show, animal assisted activities, and pet bazaar. The purpose of this celebration is to raise the status of animals in order to improve welfare standards around the globe. Building the celebration of World Animal Day unites the animal welfare movement, mobilizing it into a global force to make the world a better place for all animals because the lives of the animals are deeply affected of each and one of us. Thus, effective animal policies are something we must have. Lalong-lalo na para sa mga endangered species sa buong mundo. At dito sa Pilipinas, madami ding endangered species. Isa na dyan ang ating pambansang ibon, ang Philippine Eagle o kilala din sa tawag na monkey-eating eagle. We need to do some actions before it's too late. At kung tinatanong mo ang sarili mo kung paano ka makakatulong o makakapag-ambag sa global event na to, for me, simple efforts are enough. And those efforts are: first, be kind to animals around you. Whether it's your family's pet, pet ng kapitbahay, mga kaklase, kamag-anak, or kahit yung mga stray animals. Huwag natin silang sasaktan. Second, volunteer in your community. Hindi naman kailangan na malakihang events or dadayo ka pa sa iba't ibang lugar para lang mag-participate sa mga animal events. Start within your community. Third, adopt a pet instead of buying. Ask your friends, your neighbors, baka meron silang pinamimigay na kittens or puppies. Or pinakamaganda, pumunta sa animal shelters, tumingin ng mga animals na naghahanap ng forever home. Fourth, donate to animal programs. Kung medyo nakakaluwag ka sa buhay, pwede kang mag-donate ng foods or pet treats or kahit yung mga simpleng tables and chairs, waters para sa mga taong pupunta, or kahit anong pwede mong i-offer sa isang animal program. And lastly, you can simply share this video to raise awareness about the importance of this celebration. Share to your social media accounts. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Animal Loves Bustos. And enjoy the rest of this video. Imagine 40 kilos. Grabe, ano ang diet niya, sir?
Chicken.
Gano'n po madalas siya kumain?
One, two, and three, go! Go! Pagkatapos, maubos. Itaas ang lahat. Alright, and course, Dano ay sa Sir Harry.
The Lord be with you and with your spirit. The animals of God's creation inhabit the skies, the earth, and the sea. They share in the fortunes of human existence and have a part in human life.
Watching, please like and share this video, and if you love to see more videos about animals, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.